Continuing the long history of specialist steel production, Pro-Roll Ltd has been a fixture of the Sheffield steel industry for the past 20 years, offering both full supply and hire work packages to their customers across a range of processes. Pro-Roll is truly a market leader in bespoke, high-quality metal manufacturing. With our capacity to melt into quantities of 5.5 and 10 tons, Pro-Roll can offer tailor-made chemistry melts in a variety of grades, including carbon and alloy steels, stainless steels, and air melt nickel alloys. As with all of our processes, Pro-Roll's core focus is on producing a high-quality product, and we use clean melting practices to achieve this. We begin with virgin start material or known quantifiable remelt stock, and throughout the melt, pure argon is pumped through the bottom of the furnace. As the argon diffuses through the melt, it prevents oxides from forming and aids in lifting impurities out of the metal and up to the slag layer. Once poured, the ladle full of molten metal is taken across to our oxygen and argon vacuum degassing unit, where it is further refined and final chemistry trimming takes place. To achieve quality and consistency throughout the material, all of our ingots are uphill cast and topped to provide high insulation values. Where the material grade has a requirement for it, Pro-Roll can provide an ingot annealing service. Once cooled, ingots can be provided as cast or fully dressed, ready for onward processing. Pro-Roll Ltd started life as a dedicated hand-rolling mill, and over many years, our levels of skill and expertise in the rolling of difficult and specialist metals has continually developed, allowing us to become leaders in the art of producing high-quality, hand-rolled material. Billets are heated in our batch furnaces and then taken to the mill, where they are passed down between the rolls in order to reach their final size. We firmly believe that traditional methods of production yield the best results, and we pride ourselves on offering our customers the highest levels of quality and satisfaction. We frequently take part in development trials for proprietary manufacturers with materials of their own design that are new to the industry and still in the development stage. Pro-Roll achieved the Nadcap heat treating standard in 2019, and we have received consistently high results in all successive audits. In addition, the heat treatment facility holds approvals for ISO 9001, AS9100, and Rolls-Royce Nuclear. As standard, we operate the furnace to AMS 2750 pyrometry controls. Our pulse-fired, top-hat zone-controlled furnace allows us to treat loads of up to 3 tons, 6 meters long, with a range of heat treatment and cooling types. We understand that the straighter a bar is before being ground or turned, the better the final product. With this in mind, we offer 3 different methods of straightening material: stretch straightening, bump straightening, and bar reeling. For tougher materials, or those with low tensile properties when cold, we also have the capability to heat material before it is straightened. Bars are heated in our furnaces to a workable temperature before being removed one at a time for straightening. This prevents any snapping or cracking occurring whilst the material is put under strain. Finishing will take your material from the heat-treated or rolled black finish to the shinier bright finish most people associate with metal bars. And Pro-Roll offers 4 different options for processing your material into bright section. Centerless grinding across our 3 grinders allows us to offer tight tolerances on bars from 1/2 inch diameter to 4 inch diameter. Bar peeling allows for rapid stock removal from bars, making it good for the removal of raw surfaces, oxidized layers, surface cracks, and imperfections. Our Hartford vertical milling machining allows us to machine numerous different shapes and profiles from a variety of materials and sizes. Finally, our 4 different lathes allow us to offer bar turning from 4 inch diameter all the way up to 27 inch diameter in lengths up to 4 meters. Pro-Roll prides itself on offering its customers the highest levels of quality and satisfaction. We hold the ISO 9001, AS9100, and Nadcap heat treating accreditations, and we also maintain a host of third-party approvals, including Rolls-Royce Nuclear and Rolls-Royce Aerospace. We hold a variety of in-house approvals for a range of our customers, and we're always happy to cooperate with potential customers on meeting their own standards and specifications. Pro-Roll has long been a name for quality in the metals industry, with the service we provide and the high standard of the work we produce. Whatever your product or application, we look forward to working with you soon.